So Sophia's story is that she had viral encephalitis when she was 6, had a massive stroke and seizure, which left her brain damaged.
Ouch.
Yeah, ouch. And we needed something, wanted her to have some kind of job or purpose or mission or something for her life. Just didn't want her sitting around watching videos. And and so we started this, what we call our cookie ministry, Sophias Sweets. And then she takes them out and passes them out in the community. 4 to 5 dozen cookies every week over to the sheriff's department. We take cookies every week to some folks we know at the planning department. We take cookies to schools every week for teachers. Children's coordinator put together activity packets and that for kids, and Sunday school packets for kids, stuff that would help them engage in worship as we're doing our online worship. On Friday afternoons, they drive around and drop off those packets, and she includes a couple of cookies in each of her packets for the kids. We meet people all the time, and we're a small community, but we meet people all the time, be it in the store or whatever, who I don't know them, but they know Sophia because they know her cookies.